Thank you for listening to the Real Estate Voice podcast. I'm Vernon R.E. Jones, managing broker, owner of Jones Homes, and for 30 years, we have serviced the 7-county Denver metro area. I get asked a lot of questions, but this is another one coming out on top. And today I wanted to respond to it. Which housing markets are going to come out on top as the larger pandemic slows? With home prices reaching record highs month after month, and persistent fears of a bubble, however unfounded, many folks are nervous about making what could be the largest purchase of their lives. With their hard-earned savings on the line, they want to buy real estate in areas where their investments will continue to rise in value, not fall when the pandemic-induced home buying frenzy wanes. While no one can truly say just what the post-pandemic new normal for the housing market will look like, there are some areas that show more promise than others. The Wall Street Journal, Realtor.com, Emerging Housing Markets Index identified the top markets for both buyers and investors going into the third quarter of this year. They picked out the best, the top 10 out of 300 of the largest metropolitan areas. This index looks at metropolitan areas with strong housing demand and rising prices, combined with robust economies, lots of good paying jobs, and desirable amenities, such as lots of small businesses and reasonable commutes to work. The index also now includes real estate taxes, which gave lower cost areas in the South and West a boost and hurt pricier areas in the Northeast and West. Smaller, more affordable markets dominated the list. 6 of the top 10 boast median list prices under the national average of $385,000. According to the most recent Realtor.com data, these are the kinds of places where buyers can get more spacious residences for less money. The local economies are strong, and the cost of living is generally lower. However, prices may not stay reasonable for long. These basically are places where the housing market is poised to do well, while home prices are expected to grow. They have very strong housing demand and a relatively low number of homes for sale. It's already causing price increases, and expect them to keep pushing those prices higher. Billings, Montana, which lies along the Yellowstone River in southern Montana, topped the rankings. Median home list prices were up nearly 31% in June compared with June 2020. The state's business hub, which is home to oil refineries, medical facilities, and other good jobs attracting new residents, also has a small downtown and plenty of outdoorsy activities. Multiple real estate brokers who have done real estate long time in Billings are seeing new residents move into the area from all over the country. Some are relocating for work. Others are retirees chasing the lower cost of living. There's low property taxes and no sales tax in Billings. And some professionals who can work remotely are choosing to put down roots in this city. They're also seeing mom and pop investors looking for single family and multifamily homes as well as duplexes they can rent out. Most realtors are saying it's a frenzy. Homes are receiving about a half dozen offers at a minimum, with offers ranging from $10,000 to $50,000 over list price. Most of them don't see it slowing down anytime soon. Other places are smaller alternatives to mid-sized cities. For example, Fort Wayne, Indiana, number 3 in the ranking, is about 2 hours northeast of Indianapolis, but with a median list price just under $239,000. It's a lot cheaper than Indianapolis's $277,000. Waco, Texas, number 7, sandwiched neatly between Dallas, 90 minutes north, and Austin, about 2 hours south, yet buyers in the city made famous by HGTV's Fixer Upper can get homes at a fraction of the price of those other cities. Homes in Waco are listing at a median of $290,000 compared with $387,000 in Dallas or $523,000 in Austin. Then there's Raleigh, North Carolina, which has built itself up as a science, tech, and engineering hub. The metro offers plenty of good paying jobs and a significantly lower cost of living than California's ultra pricey San Francisco Bay Area. The one big exception to the more affordable places on the list was the vacation spot Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, which came in at number 2. The metro area has grown in popularity with nature lovers during the COVID-19 pandemic. The median home list price of nearly $832,000 was due to its draw being on Lake Coeur d'Alene and the access to trails in the Canefield Mountain Natural Area and the Coeur d'Alene National Forest. Forgive me, Idahoans, if I'm not saying it correctly. Basically, these places offer a great quality of life. They have everything the buyers are looking for, such as short commutes, relatively low real estate taxes, and low unemployment rates that signal a strong economy. Forthwith, the top 10. Billings, Montana. Median price of homes for sale, $464,450. Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, $831,950 is their median price. Fort Wayne, Indiana, $238,750. Number 4, Rapid City, South Dakota. Median price of the homes there, $365,500. Raleigh, North Carolina. Median price, $411,095. Portland, Maine. Median price of the homes there, $472,900. Number 7, Waco, Texas, $290,000. Johnson City, Tennessee, coming in at number 8. Median price, $299,450. Bangor, Maine, number 9, $243,250. Home of Stephen King, the great writer. Number 10, Huntsville, Alabama. Median price, $317,450. Those are the top emerging markets. Can we predict which markets will actually perform? We'll see. Please feel free to call us at 303-359-8218. And thank you for listening to the Real Estate Voice podcast. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us. And as always, please be safe.